Yo, there's dirt all over your head, Jess.
Oh, his head.
Yo, so you're so dirty.
Jazz, get up.
Yo, what you doing?
Come.
Clean me now. Yo, Jess.
Look at his head. He's brown. He's brown now.
Jess, chill out.
Stay away from me.
You look like a fish who just got caught. Yo, Jess. Come inside.
Come inside.
That's what I think about inside. Alright.
Are you good?
Okay.
Let's go inside.
I got
Come inside.